Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ninis Kusmawati. Now I will discuss an article about exploring language variation in multilingual communities. The article investigates language change within multilingual communities, emphasizing how sociolinguistic factors such as linguistic variation, code mixing, and language policy contribute to the dynamic of language evolution. Through a comprehensive literature review and a questionnaire-based methodology, the study explored the interrelations between language use, social factors, and linguistic diversity. Findings suggest significant regional and age-related variation in language use, including preference for standard versus non-standard dialect and the prevalence of code mixing and code switching practice. The article explores various phenomena, including language change, attitude toward language planning and policy, multilingualism, and the relationship between language and identity. The article focuses on language variation, code mixing, and language policy. The article discusses language variation, including dialectal, accentual, and interlanguage differences. Example, code switching is closely related to social factors such as age, gender, ethnicity, class, and geography. Language change has been linked to migration, technological advance, and policy shifts with internet language. For example, emoji abbreviations emerging prominently. The research employ a questionnaire method to explore language variation across morphology, syntax, and phonology. This approach facilitates data collection from a broad sample, enriching our understanding of language variation and its perception by different social groups. Ethical considerations such as respondent anonymity and voluntary participation were prioritized throughout the study. The findings underline the importance of studying language variation and practice like code mixing and code switching to understand the dynamic of language change in multilingual societies. And for the contributes, the article is the study contributes to sociolinguistic research and has implications for language policy and planning in multilingual contexts. The report on sociolinguistic research in multilingual communities emphasizes the complex interplay between language use, social factors, and language change. The findings highlight the significance of understanding these dynamics for developing inclusive language policies that support linguistic diversity and social cohesion. And the last is, in my opinion, the weakness of the article is that it does not mention the research sample so it is unclear whether the sample is representative of the wider population. In addition, the article does not present an in-depth analysis of the data collected, so it is unclear how the researchers reach their conclusion. My suggestion for further research is to use a mixed method approach. Further research could use a mixed method approach, quantitative and qualitative, to gain a more comprehensive understanding of language change in multilingual communities. Overall, the article makes a significant contribution to our understanding of language change in multilingual communities. Okay, I think enough for my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.